Hey guys, Energy Kelly 2 here. It's about, I think, 4:40 in the morning where I'm at. Man, I am really tired, I gotta admit, but I have something new for a lot of you editors, and I want to give a shout out to one guy named Kopi. Edits on here. I'll leave a link to his channel description, or I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. He helped me get Sony Vegas 11, or yeah, it was 11 for free. So please guys, go subscribe to him. He's awesome. He's really good at editing too. Hopefully one day I can be as good as him. But I have some gun sounds from MW2. I'm going to leave a link to the copy in the description. It's going to be an ad file link. Make sure you wait 5 seconds, go to the top, click skip ad. I'm out. Peace. You're welcome.